Along with live tutoring in all grades and subjects, Brainfuse Homework Help Now also offers an online writing lab where students can receive detailed feedback on their writing. From the Learning Commons channel of your school website, students should head to Helpful Resources, and then the Learning Tools page on the left. The online writing lab is found within the Brainfuse Homework Help Now site. To access the online writing lab, students will enter their virtual student library card number and PIN number. The formula for students' virtual student library card number is our District ID 720, immediately followed by their student ID number. The PIN number is the last 4 digits of that number. First off, students should create a unique account if they haven't done so already. And to do this, they just click on Sign Up, and students can use whatever they'd like to for their username and password. Oftentimes it's just their school credentials because that's easy to remember. Although you can use Homework Help Now without signing in, you do have to sign in order to use the online writing lab. Once you click on Writing Lab, you can upload a paper either from your computer, or if you wanted to just look at a section of your paper, you may choose to copy and paste a section to the whiteboard. If you submit your whole paper, your writing tutor will give you feedback based on how well you responded to the assignment prompt, your organization, focus, usage, and your grammar and mechanics. If you'd like more targeted feedback on a specific section of your paper, like the introductory paragraph or on a certain skill, like properly incorporating quotes, you can indicate that in the comments section. Any information you can give your tutor about what you'd like the most help on will be very helpful, and you'll probably get more specific feedback. Once you submit your paper, you can expect feedback within 1 business day. Once your feedback is ready, you'll get a note in your message center. If you'd like more immediate writing assistance on a specific writing task, you can click on the live tutoring and then select your grade and writing for the subject. Students with an iPad can download either the Brainfuse app or the Scott County Library app from self-service to access the online writing lab. Students with a MacBook can get there through the Learning Commons channel of their school website. If you have any questions about how to use or access the online writing lab, please feel free to reach out to us.